So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service and then click on D on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down until you find Diagnostic Service Host. You're going to double click on it. Make sure that the startup type is on disabled. And make sure that the service status is on stopped. So click on stop, which will make it stopped. And then click on OK. And now you're going to click on S on your keyboard. You're going to scroll down until you find sysmain. You're going to double click on it. And then do the same thing. Startup type, disabled. Service status, on stopped. And then click on OK. And now you're going to click on W on your keyboard. You're going to scroll down until you find Windows Update. You're going to double click on it. Startup type, this time on automatic. And then service status on running. So click on start, which will make it running. And then click on OK. And now for the last one, you're going to type in B on your keyboard. You're going to find the background intelligent transfer service. You're going to double click on it. Startup type, automatic. Click on start. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. And then you want to run this. It's going to detect if you have any problems. If it finds anything, it's going to fix it for you. And then once you've run this, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.